In less than a year in office, Deerfield Beach District 3 Commissioner Daniel Shanetzky delivered a major improvement in our neighborhood. The completion of our long-awaited sidewalk along Northwest 18th Avenue and a safer way to cross the street in front of the Crystal Lake Golf Villa Clubhouse. The new sidewalk begins at Green Road, 49th Court, giving residents a clean, continuous path as it travels down Northwest 18th Avenue. At the S-curve, the city installed a new speed table, replacing the old speed hump. This raised crossing gives pedestrians, especially our school-aged children walking to and from the bus, a safer, more visible place to cross the street. From there, the sidewalk continues past the Crystal Lake Golf Villa Clubhouse, connecting directly to the existing sidewalk in front of the condos down the street. For the first time, residents have a complete, protected walking route through this stretch of our community. This project happened because Commissioner Daniel Shanetzky championed it, and because Eric Powers, Director of Planning and Development Services, ensured the work moved forward quickly and correctly. Thanks to their leadership, Crystal Lake Golf Villa is safer, more walkable, and better connected. And our children now have a protected path on their daily route. Thank you, Commissioner Shanetzky and Director Powers, for making this happen for our community.